Hello there, my friend, and welcome to this training on how to promote my lead gen secret. It's amazing Angela from partnerwithangela.com, sharing with you simple ways for you to earn passive income online. What you want to do is you want to make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel. Remember, smash notification bell so you don't miss out on more training from me. Now, in this video, I will be sharing with you how I promote my lead gen secret and how I see other marketers promote my lead gen secret, which is the same way. Now, one of the ways will actually shock you, right? So you want to make sure you stick around to the very end because I will be sharing with you step-by-step training on exactly if you want more information on the strategies that I use, how you can get access to them as well, okay? So let me go ahead and share my screen here and share with you the first way that I promote my lead gen secret is what I do on a daily basis is I log into my back office here. I get 200 fresh USA email leads every single day, like clockwork. In the next 14 hours, I want to get another 200. So what I do is on a daily basis, I come in here to the mailing system and I select all. So I email all the leads and I have some my lead gen secret emails that have been proven to convert my lead gen secret leads. So this is one of the ways that you promote my lead gen secret is to the leads themselves, right? So for instance, this email here, I can just load it and this email is actually pointing the leads to my lead gen secret itself, okay? The other thing that I do is when I promote other offers like this one here, in the signature of the email, I actually promote my lead gen secret. And not only do I get people signing up to my lead gen secret, like you can see here, these are leads from my lead gen secret. When I promote other offers, the leads actually go to the signature line and jump into my lead gen secret, okay? So that's the first way that you can promote my lead gen secret is to the leads themselves and also in the signature of your emails. Now, let me share with you other ways that I promote my lead gen secret. So Facebook is one way that I promote my lead gen secret as well. So I just go onto my Facebook profile page and I just paste a post there, getting people to ask me for more information on how to get 100 fresh USA leads without spending money on paid traffic. And then I send them information, right? So that's one of the ways that I use, not just for this opportunity, any other opportunity as well, okay? So this, by the way, is the access to the step-by-step training. As a free member, you get access to three modules on Facebook. And the other way that I promote my lead gen secret is what I'm doing right now. Where you're watching this, where you're watching this from? You're watching this from YouTube. So if we go to YouTube here, right, this is my homepage. Here is a marketer who is, what is he doing? He's promoting my lead gen secret. So one of the ways that you can promote my lead gen secret is do what he's doing. I have done this as well by doing my lead gen secret case study videos, okay? And the other thing is, if you're not sure, what kind of videos to make apart from case studies, that you want to mix it up, you can type my lead gen secret, leave a dash, and then you can go ahead and make a video on my lead gen secret results, my lead gen secret tutorials. These are people, you see case study, people are searching for these my lead gen secret tips. The video I'm making here, believe it or not, people are searching for this. That's why I'm creating this video. So this is another way that I use to promote my lead gen secret is by creating YouTube videos. Now, if you are not a YouTuber and you're interested in learning how to launch your YouTube video from scratch, then I give you access to 3 modules here in this course where I show you step by step how to create your funnel, your YouTube channel from scratch. And then there's actually a price if you want access to the rest of the modules where you get everything that you need on Facebook and YouTube, okay? That's number 2. That's the other way I use to promote my lead gen secret. And then what the other platform I use here is this platform here called MLM Gateway, where this platform is full of network marketers that are looking for leads for their businesses. So I have you as a member, you get your own profile page where you can promote whatever offer that you choose. So I'm always rotating this offer, and I promote My Lead Gen Secret in this offer as well. You can create banner ads and text ads in this program as well. It's great because it's full of network marketers looking for leads. Okay. That's the other way. And the last way, I actually don't have the tab open, is traffic exchanges. And by the way, let me go here. So that platform I'm in there, I give you access. I have 10 step-by-step video tutorials walking you through how to use the platform, right? So you can get access to that as well. And then lastly is traffic exchanges, where you view other people's sites in exchange for views to your site. So again, I have training on that here. So these methods that I use to promote, I not only use these methods to promote My Lead Gen Secret, I literally rinse and repeat them and use them to promote other offers I have as well. So, and not only do I use them, every method that I've shared with you, I've seen other marketers on those platforms promoting My Lead Gen Secret as well. So yeah, that's what we have for you. If you're interested in if you're not a member of My Lead Gen Secret and you're interested in using the platform, if you decide to create a free account using the link in the description, not only will you get access to the different methods that I use to promote My Lead Gen Secret, you get access to step-by-step training on My Lead Gen Secret itself, okay? How to build your email list from scratch, the step-by-step training on how to use the My Lead Gen Secret, and free proven email swipes. Email swipes are proven to convert into leads and sales. So let me show you proof of the commissions that I've earned from My Lead Gen Secret so far, just to show you that what I do absolutely 100% works. So I actually have 2 My Lead Gen Secret accounts. This one I've been consistently using it since this November 2021. So just a little over a year. So I've earned $4,115 from that. I've withdrawn $4,019. I have $96 there that I can withdraw. So not only am I able to earn commissions, these are other people out there. This is Austin here sharing his results of My Lead Gen Secret. The leads do convert. Not only do they convert in My Lead Gen Secret, they convert outside of to other offers as well. This is Wes. This is actually the same guy on the YouTube, you see. So what he's doing is absolutely working. He is, if we went back to YouTube here, funny enough, is he still there? That's changed now. I think, yeah, he was the same guy. You can always rewind the video, but he was the same guy. And here's another guy with My Lead Gen Secret review. These are kind of videos that you could make just sharing your journey with this system here. Actually, when I search here, I'm sure Wes is going to come up. Yeah, that's him. Oh, no, that's Mike. That's Mike. That's somebody else. My bad. Okay, yeah, that's the end. Keep it short and sweet. If you found value, go ahead and smash that like button. And remember, subscribe to my YouTube channel so you don't miss out on more training from me. I've been the amazing Angela from partnerwithangela.com, wishing you the best year ever. Thank you and have a fantastic